Click on the link below to get price. The Joyside Outdoor Patio Sofa set offers a stylish and functional option for those looking to enhance their outdoor living space. Comprising 4 pieces of wicker rattan furniture, this set is designed with comfort and aesthetics in mind, making it suitable for various outdoor settings such as patios, gardens, or balconies. At first glance, the design of the Joyside set is quite appealing. The wicker rattan construction gives it a contemporary look while ensuring durability. Rattan is known for its resistance to weather elements, which is an essential feature for outdoor furniture. This set typically includes a 2-seater sofa, 2 single armchairs, and a coffee table, providing ample seating for gatherings or relaxation. One of the key features of the Joyside set is its comfortable cushions. The cushions are generally thick and plush, covered with fade-resistant fabric. This not only enhances the overall comfort but also allows for easy cleaning, as removable cushion covers can often be machine washed. The choice of colors may vary, allowing potential users to select a palette that complements their outdoor decor. In terms of assembly, the Joyside Patio Sofa set usually comes with all necessary tools and instructions, aiming to simplify the setup process. Many users appreciate clear guidance, as this can significantly influence the overall experience when it comes to outdoor furniture. Once assembled, the sofa set can easily be rearranged, allowing flexibility in design based on personal preferences or specific occasions. As for usage, this set is particularly well suited for various outdoor activities, whether it be a casual get-together with friends, a family gathering, or simply enjoying a quiet moment in the fresh air. The coffee table serves as a practical centerpiece, ideal for holding beverages, snacks, or decorative items. The versatility of the arrangement allows it to adapt to different social scenarios, adding to its functionality. In conclusion, the Joyside Outdoor Patio Sofa set stands out as a practical option for those looking to enhance their outdoor living areas. With its emphasis on comfort, durability, and style, it presents a well-rounded solution for various outdoor needs. The combination of thoughtful design and quality materials makes it a noteworthy contender in the realm of outdoor furniture.